Did these really sell out? What's up, Sneakerholics? This is your boy SLIMBeezy bringing out a sneaker video. This time I'll be doing a quick review on the dope on feet of the Air Jordan 3 Valor Blue or UNC dopeness and its potentness. I know on camera it's kind of bright because of that white or whatever, but all in all, this is a dope shoe. Let's get right into the specifics. You got an all white tumble upper, the elephant print on the back and in the front. You got a white midsole with that Valor blue. And when you turn around to the back, and on the back you got that navy blue Jumpman on the heel tab. On the front, on the tongue, you got that Jumpman stitch. You got a stitch Jumpman on the tongue. Then you got that tech gray Valor blue and that navy blue bottom. Pretty much that in a nutshell. You know what we're here for, that on feet. Thanks for watching my video. As always, let me know in the comment section, was this a cop or easy no look pass? Remember to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Also hit that thumbs up if you like this video or that thumbs down if you didn't. Sneakerholicbeez, and I'm out.